Hey everyone, Andrew here from TOURIG, and today I'm going to take you on a pretty quick tour of our newest 170-inch wheelbase 4x4 Sprinter build. Let's dive right in. Now today's van was built for a very specific purpose and has some unique features because of that. It was built for two professionals who work at a hospital and they wanted a place to be able to sleep at night in the lot close to work and then also be able to take out to the trails for biking, hiking, camping, etc. So with that in mind, we built this van that catered to those more simple needs and budget options while retaining the quality and style of all our TOURIG builds. The main features of this van include the galley, a Ruvati sink, a single induction stovetop, the Olympic queen-size bed, the dinette in the middle of the van that allows them to work and eat at it during the day and then convert it into a bed at night. Soft goods that include our door screens, window covers, bags, and bulkhead divider. A 4-channel Alpine sound system with improved speakers up front and in the rear doors. Upper and lower SeatTech cabinets with additional lighting located underneath the cabinets. Lumicoin spotlights. 2 Sirocco fans for additional air ventilation. A pneumatic air conditioning unit, a max air fan over the bed, a 30-gallon freshwater tank, an additional AGM battery under the hood that helps with the factory starter battery, a cell booster up top located on our roof rack, a 370-watt ZAMP solar panel, a Webasto heater underneath the passenger seat, a 130-liter isotherm fridge, 600 amp hours of lithium battery, a 2400 watt inverter, shore power plug and portable solar charge plug, an auto start system that kicks on to charge the batteries when it senses they reach 30% charge, an additional alternator for charging, 12 volt charging ports, linoleum floor located on the front half of the van and coin floor located on the rear half of the van in the garage, and our very own TOURIG rear door ladder. Here at the rear of the van, you got some pretty cool features too. When you open it up, you'll have our slide-out drawer, capable of holding 500 pounds, by the way. Great for bikes, gear, anything else you can kind of fit through or slide onto this platform here. If you ever have any gear that won't fit in the slider drawer or the garage, you have these 2 soft bags on either door that can fit all the little supplies like hoses, cables, things like that. At the front of the garage, you'll have our TOURIG first aid kit, and you'll also have our Dometic toilet. Underneath the driver's side lower cabinet, you'll have all your electrical, fuses, batteries, things like that. Underneath the passenger side is all your water, so you'll have your water tank, hoses, access to all your pumps, things like that. And right here you'll have your upper and lower screens. The lower screen will close off the garage from access, then the upper screen will close off the top of the bed. There's also a few things at the rear of the lower cabinets. On the driver's side, you have the 12 volt charging port right here. And on the passenger side, you have your water hookups for an exterior shower or just a normal hose. That concludes all the main features of this van. For any questions on anything you saw during this tour, or to set up your own design consultation, feel free to reach out to our support team or our design consultants on our website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next tour.